J. Frederick, 92 years strong, lived a life of purpose, a heart full of song. Born in Johnstown, New York, sky so wide, she journeyed through decades with grace as her guide. Cuyahoga Falls called her name in 53, where she built a life of love and legacy. Inhalation healer, steady hands and care, 23 years at City Hospital there. She sang in the choir, she played double solitaire, crosswords and puzzles with wisdom to spare. From Tuesday and yes, the coast to Summit County trails, her laughter and kindness told beautiful tales. A mother, a grandma, a friend to the core. Alice J. Frederick, forever we adore. Election day, she stood proud and tall, 2 decades of service at the voting hall. First United Methodist, 60 years of grace, chancel choir melodies still echo in that place. She cheered for the Indians, hike with her friends, read books by the fire as the daylight would end. Concert halls and travel, her spirit ran free, a tapestry woven with love and dignity. And 4 great ones carry on. Though Bob and Bill and Judith passed before, her legacy lives in the heart she bore. She sang in the choir, she played double solitaire, crosswords and puzzles with wisdom to spare. From Tuesday and yes, it coast to Summit County trails, her laughter and kindness told beautiful tales. A mother, a grandma, a friend to the core. Alice J. Frederick, forever we adore. On May 23rd in Cumming she lay, but her spirit still dances in memory's bouquet. Solitaire and Songbirds, her story lives on in every heart she touched. Her light is never gone.